Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will work with Jest to create unit test. When I originally installed Jest, I installed it as a regular dependency. Now this is all fine and it will still work. But in reality, any dependency that's not used during runtime should be a development dependency. So let's first fix that. So inside package.json, we can see Jest as a regular dependency. So let's first uninstall this. So we need to open the terminal. So control and backtick key. Let me clear this. Now to uninstall this, I'll type npm uninstall jest. Okay. Let me make it small. So now as you can see, here it is jest. Now hit enter. Now as you can see, it's gone as a regular dependency. Now let's install it as a development dependency. Okay. So let me first clear this. And here I'll type npm install. I is for install space -d. Okay, it's for development dependency, and I'll type jest. And there is one more dependency that we are going to need is cross -env. And now we can hit enter. Now both the dependencies are installed as a development dependency. Okay, so this is jest and this is cross env. Let me clear this terminal. Now inside my root directory, okay, here inside my root directory, I'll create a new folder, okay, and name it as test. And inside this folder, I'll create a new file and name it as auth.test.js. Okay, hit enter. Now inside package.json, we need to create a script to run the test. Okay, so let me close this and let me close this as well. So we'll get a space. So here I'll create a script. Okay, so comma and then we can write test. That is going to be jest. So if we run this, this test will work, but we will see couple of console error. So this will not affect the test, but it can be annoying. So that's why I have installed cross-env. So we need to use cross-env inside the script. Okay. So before jest, I'll type cross-env space node underscore env equals to development. Okay. Let me save this file. Now let's go back to test file. Okay. First, we need to pull the auth middleware, the file that we are going to test. So this should be brought in as a function. So that's going to be the first test. So here I need to type const auth equals to require // and then middleware /auth. Okay. Let me save this. Then we need a describe block. So here I'll type describe. And the first argument will be auth, which is the name of our function. And the second argument is the function that will contain all our specific tests. So it will be having two tests and it will start with the keyword it. So I'll type it and it is an alias for test. These are called test blocks. Okay. And this all takes two arguments. The first argument for the test or it block is a string that will describe specific tests. So I'll write should exist. Okay. So this clearly tells us what we are going to do. Then we need to define the function. Okay. So the second argument is a function which needs to be run. Okay. And this includes expectation. So we can say expect. And inside this, we need to write auth. Okay. So it will expect auth to be defined. Okay. So here I'll type to be defined. Let me save this. It means it should exist. Okay. Then we need another block. So it, and here the specification will be, should be a function. Okay. Should be a function. And we can The second argument is a function, and it will expect type of auth to be function. Okay, it should be a function. Let me save this. So the first test means that it should exist. This function should exist. Okay, this auth function should exist. And the second test says that it should be a function. Okay, so now we can test this. Okay, we can run the test. So let's open the terminal. So control and backtick key, and here I will write npm run test. Okay, and hit enter. Okay, so we are getting some error. Cross env node. Uh, Let me go to package.json. Let's see what is the error. Let me remove the space. Maybe I don't know. Let's save this and let's try it again. So let me clear this and npm run test. Okay, now, okay, it's failed. Okay, so here test suite one failed. So let's go up and see why it is failing. Okay, so here there is some issue. So here it say it must be name class, name function, number or string. So in line number 3 has some problem. So in auth.test.js, this should be a string. Okay, let me save this and everything is fine. So there is no need of like, if you keep it like this also, it will be, it is fine. So let's run it again. So let me clear this, then npm run test. Okay, now, okay, I think we need to keep it like this only, no space. Now let's try. So clear, sorry. Here I'll just clear the terminal and let's do npm run test again. Okay, so here it says, so here make sure that there is no space in between equal to, okay. So here it says test suite one passed, okay, and there are two tests which passed. So both the test passed, so that's working with chest. So all is fine. Now everything is working fine. So that's working with just to create unit tests. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Then take care and bye bye.